welcome back to the Surfer Joe Show with Chef Frankie. We are doing an unboxing today. That's right, Chef Frankie saw this on special and grabbed it. We're reviewing a little bit, but especially unboxing the Bristle Preheat 2X Revolutional Pet Pro. You don't need to have a pet, but we're going to start unboxing. But this is, in the long run, this is cheaper than getting a carpet cleaning service. Got you a manual. Please read this. Also warranty. I'm going to pull all the components out, because not only is this an upright cleaner, it will also do cars. Take it outside your garage. It will also do your furniture, pillows that they showed in the video. Just randomly pulling stuff out here so everyone can see it. Oh, make sure we don't lose anything. Come the big parts, the tanks. Now this heats up on its own, so they showed in the video that we had watched, which got Chef Frankie to buy this. Now this does come with cleaners. That you see this. You come with two little ones. And they show it doesn't take much. Get out the big. Oh, pull out this big part. Oh, there's some little balls everywhere. You know how they pack it. Let me get this out. This is nice. A bag for your extension hose. You put all the parts into an extension to clean steps, pillows, furniture, your car. Put that over here on Chef Frankie's desk. Okay. Now, this is made in America for America. So, you're going to have the 3-prong. But we're going to open this up. Open this up. Not going to waste the time. Never do. So, you're going to get a gander at this. Let me move this down some. Make it a little easier. Here, right away, I'm noticing is where you plug in the hose for your accessories to go in, do your car, ground, seat, your furniture, steps. If you got carpeted steps, boom, 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 or spots. Okay. Now this is supposed to be easy to come in, easy to go out. Also, this is your power adjustment. I'll pick this thing up. It's not that heavy. To give you the different types. You have deep scrub, extra deep scrub, and basic. Depending upon how well your carpet is stained. See, you push down on this, it comes right out. You empty that out. Because, let's see if I can easily put it back in. This part, okay, is where you put your water and solution in. That will fit down in there from the machine. Don't worry about it. This part, unscrew. You pour your hot water in there. Your solution. Now it says it heats it up too. Now put this on here. See how easy or hard it is. Okay. See, I didn't read the instructions yet. Chef Frankie was looking at it. It probably has to do that we need this on there. We're just going to do an unboxing, but, you know, move this out of here. There's Chef Frankie. Say hi, Chef Frankie. He's supposed to be behind the camera, Chef Frankie. He likes getting inside, too, in the view. All right. So, you got the screws and all that to put it together. So since Chef Frankie's here, let me put it on pause, because he wants to inspect everything. Alright, Chef Frankie wanted me to show you the shirt. Since it's Oktoberfest time, it's a picture of him on the shirt he had made up for me. Guess we're going to assemble it. Need a Phillips head screwdriver. This, you would see going here like this. Supposedly. Yeah, boy, they make this stuff look so easy. There it goes. That's Chef Frankie expecting something. Alright. Now, this part, let's see. We got that in there. Your instructions. We did that. Now we're going over here. Let me give a pair of scissors. Chef Frankie was going to claw this, but he did not. This is what we need the Phillips head screwdriver for. It shows it right there. And let's see. Where does it go? Not down there, Chef Frankie. See, this is why I like to have things already assembled. So Frankie says then we want to have a video, but guess what? There's always reasons to make video. So it looks like it goes around here, but there's no hole there for it. You know, let me read these things more. Alright, don't listen to the instructions, listen to us. This thing goes on the back for your hose. Now, they have the name upside down on this one. Okay, so hey, it is what it is. You know, we don't like to look stupid at all. Hate plastic. But, like I say, this is why we do these videos. Help you guys out. It goes down in here. The only place, hold on to this tight. You know, like I said, this is why I like stuff already assembled nowadays, because they just don't do that great of a job anymore. See, that's loose. It's not supposed to be. Pause. Alright, we got it on here. I'll show you what I had to do. I had to bear hug this and put it onto here. On the instructions, it shows it goes on the front. It does not. You have to be careful of some of these instructions. See, this is why we do videos. So it's on here. It's going to be part of the hose. This is on here sturdy. See what else they're going to tell us about this thing. You know, the water tank, it's on here. It clicks on. You know, how to do the top. We were showing you that. How to fill it with water. It's common sense. You take off this. The tank, you got the tank in hand. Hold your fingers here. Fill it with hot water. Put your amount of solution in. Tie it back up. It's that simple. Tank 1, main tank. Okay, yeah, they're showing you how to do your solutions. It's just simple. How to work it. It's like a regular stand-up vacuum cleaner. Let me turn this around. Let me point this down so you guys can see. Right here. This green one is for you to do a pre-soak. Meaning when you have the fluid in here, push that green button, it will come out here. You spray it down. You can let it sit if you want for a little bit. Then you will squeeze the handle here. Let it soak. More solution forward than back. Then you back it up and it sucks up everything into here. The attachments, like in the creases, get a good look at that. This one in the video that was online we saw, you have the hose hooked up into here. It has a nozzle and you can suck all of it into here. When you're doing like small areas like a pillow, you know, certain steps, if you got carpet or just a spot on a step. So doing your whole carpet, do a little spot, so having to break out the whole big thing to go back and forth, you can use this. Put the hose in down below, you do that. This one, you also do for the steps. You know, big part in the corners of the steps. Like how you have the corner like that, and then the crease, like that. We're going to be using this. And of course, this will be to hold the hose on back here. The hose is in here. Now I'm going to open it up. You can see that little part that will fit into the other parts down below. That's the round part. They'll fit into the other parts down below. And that part fits down into there. Alright, real fast unboxing and assembly. You know, it's simple to assemble, but you got to be careful with instructions. We've said this before. So for Joe, Chef Frankie, have a great day. Happy Oktoberfest. Oh, subscribe to the channel. We've been doing a lot of shorts. People are loving it. Pass them on. Subscribe, donate, like our videos, share our videos, and share our channel. Thank you. Cowabunga!